Hi everyone, so we're going to be making Pek Musubi. Here are the ingredients and their alternatives. We're going to want to make rice first so we get a lot done while the rice cooks. So we put equal parts rice and water, wash the rice first, use the finger method so we know that there's equal parts rice and water, and we shake it up so that it's level, the rice. So we're just going to use a low flame, cook it for about 15 minutes, and just before it fully cooks, turn it off the heat and it will cook by itself because we're going to let it cool down anyway. We're going to do a shallow fry with medium heat, and there's stuff in the pan as we cooked some stuff there before, but it's fine. And so we put the spam in, well, Pek, and just let it cook, and you'll know when to flip over because it starts to get brown at the bottom. So just let that cook for a while. So while that fries, we'll just make the marinade. So we're just going to put the little sauce over the spam to let it soak in, and we'll do that for both sides, so remember to turn it over. So half a sheet will go to one slice, so depending on how many spam or Pek slices you used will depend on how many sheets you'll be using. So I had 9 slices, so I'll be using 5 sheets with one half sheet left over. So this is the finished product. It's not very neat, but it's still very yummy. And remember to place it on a plate at the seam so then it sticks together. And thanks for watching.